Hey guys, we received this Nicpro 2 pieces mechanical pencil for test and try. This is a 0.5 mm and a 0.7 mm with a case. And this is a MP1000 metal artist pencil set with the 6 tubes or HP lead refills. So it comes in a really nice box as you can see. These are erasers. So that comes with it. You can use to just clean up. So these are the full metal mechanical pencils with the precision, durability, uh, or the nice feel and the look. You can see like the this LEDs or the coming up. This is the eraser as well, and then you can put it. So there are separate eraser refills as well as the lead refills. So you see the zero point 0.7 mm and the zero point 0.5 mm. This is the zero point 0.7 mm one. So this is the lead. So let me show you. So there is a refill that you can use, and there are 0.5 mm on the top, 0.7 mm here. So this is how you will replace it. You also have this refill erasers and the legs. So it's a nice, hexagonal pen holder with the brass dispenser, and the writing and things are really nice. So let me just have a quick thing. So it's a retractable nib and replaceable eraser as well, and then a nice writing and the smooth function. So very nice with the well balanced and really a nice smooth thing. So these are the refillable erasers that you can do, and really a nice set.